This segment is going to be on estimating and subtracting, or estimating and adding. First thing we're going to do is line our numbers up, same way we would if we were just adding or subtracting. Put your decimal, we want the 15 right under here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. First thing we want to do is go ahead and draw our arrows over. That'll help you to keep track of what you are estimating your numbers to. It does not matter the place that you estimate to. I've told you that probably the easiest way to do it when you start to estimate mentally would be to go to the number in the greatest place, which would be this 3. And we've got 3. Look at the next door neighbor. If it is less than 5, it's going to stay a 3. Okay, so we look next door, it's a 1. That is less than 5. So 3 will remain a 3. Everything else becomes zeros. Okay, I'm going to go to the greatest place. Draw my arrow over. Now we've got a 1, and it's next door to a 5. 5 or bigger makes this 1 go up to the next digit. Everything else becomes zeros. And then we're ready to subtract. 3 take away 2 is 1, and we've also learned that all of these extra zeros over here we don't really have to have. 10.000 is the same thing as 10. Okay? Now if you decided to round to this place, everything over here would stay the same. Now we've got a 1 looking at a 6. It would go up to a 2. Everything else zeros. If we're going to round to this place, you would underline it. Look next door. 5 looking at a 1 stays a 5. Everything else zeros. And estimating, you really don't want to get in a situation where you have to borrow, but it's okay if you do. Just show me your work and show me what you're rounding it to, and that's okay. Alright, let's look at number 10. We're going to take 32.17. I'm going to line everything up just to get in the practice of doing that. We've got 59.81. I'm going to annex my zeros. And I'm ready to estimate and add. I'm going to go to the greatest place. 3. It's less than 5, the 2 is, so it's going to stay a 3. Everything else will become zeros. Okay, I'm going to go to the greatest place of this number. It's a 1. Nothing there, so it's going to stay a 1. Everything else zeros. And I'm going to go to the greatest place here. 5, looking at a 9. Remember, anything 5 or greater is going to cause this number to go up. So this will be 60. And then we are ready to add. Bring that decimal down. And this could be 91.000, or you can take the decimal and the zeros off, and we have 91.